Ugh. Oh. Huh? What? What happened? What the? I shouldn't be here. Why am I here? I don't understand. Why am I here? Did Freddy seriously trap me in here again? Ah, that's it, I'm going. Ah, it's gonna take too long. Wait, what's this? No, Freddy's gonna notice. What about this? No, it's gonna notice too. Ah, Jesus. Wait, what about this? Wait, this over here. Hope my patience okay. I trapped them. Boogie boogie boogie. Boogie boogie boogie. Boogie boogie. Wait. Oh, I gotta feed him. I can't just leave him like that. I don't have cooked food, so I'm gonna have to give him some chicken. Some chicken. What? Why is he all infested? Oh, Foxy can be a mom. Nah, it's too short. Needs to be old. Hey, Foxy. Freddy, why'd you trap me in here? Because I wanna do an experiment. Here, I'm gonna give you some chicken. I'm gonna eat it. Eat it! Why aren't you eating it? Okay, I'm gonna come back. And I'm gonna give you some stuff. I'm back. And I also got you a flint and steel so I can burn you. What the? What's that music? Yeah, no music. Stop. Yeah, I also got you Mr. Wigglesworth. There. It's gonna burn in your ears. Haha. It's not gonna hurt me. Okay, I think it's over. Okay, so you better be thankful for what I give you. I'm gonna be right back. He seriously gave me raw chicken. Can't believe it. I gotta escape from here. Puppet. I'm gonna climb here. Yeah. Ooh, I can get out. Puppet, Lobet, somebody, help. Help! Oh man. Morning, everybody. I just heard that Foxy got under arrest. We gotta help him. We gotta go help him. Can't be in jail forever. Oh, hey, Puppet. Hey, Foxy. I heard you were under arrest. I'm gonna try and break you out. Hey, who's up there? Oh, I got it. Run. I'll be right back, Foxy. Alright, Puppet. I didn't hear where all the bats are. Up to the bees. Where are the bees? Ah, the bees are right there. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Hey, who was in this room with you? Nobody. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Foxy, you better tell me the truth or you're gonna get it. Ha! What are you gonna do to me? Tell me the truth. Okay, no one was in here with me, I promise. I'm not lying to you, Freddy. Are you sure? I'm sure. Now leave me alone. I'm gonna have to drown you with my water. Wait, I know. We can play try to dodge the arrows. What the? Why is this noise happening? Freddy, what did you do? I didn't do nothing. I don't know. I hate it. No. Help me, someone help. Oh, it stopped. Okay, I'm gonna go shoot you now. Freddy, I don't think you should do that. No, I'm sure it's fine. Freddy! No, it hurts. Oh, no. I'm out of here. Oh, right, everybody. I'm back. I'm gonna go save him, and I know how to save him. Wait, first I gotta get some stuff. There. We're gonna go save him. Yeah. Then. Okay, this is my room over here. Yeah, that's my room. Where is he? Is he down here? No, that's Lobit's room. Damn it, which one is Freddy's room? No, this is Circus Babies, isn't it? No, this is Balor's room. Freddy's room has to be in here. Let me flash into. Puppy, is that you? Yeah, it's me. I'm gonna break you out. Oh! Uh-oh. Puppy, you shouldn't have done that. Oh, no. Oh, no. Foxy, what are we gonna do? I don't know, Puppet, we're dead. We're dead. I wonder how my patient is doing. What the? Puppet, why are you in here? No reason. I'm gonna experiment on you too then. Oh, I can see outside. Get ready for tomorrow, folks. You're gonna love it. Puppet, we have to get out of here. Fast.